Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will see how to upgrade OpenWebUI chat interface to the latest version. So basically, the guide, step-by-step guide is also available on our website. To access this guide, just go to techlatest.net products and support page. Then here, go to the DeepSeek and Llama powered all-in-one LLM suite and how to upgrade OpenWebUI chat interface page. Okay, so in this DeepSeek and Llama powered all-in-one LLM suite, OpenWebUI is running in a container. So we'll see how to pull the latest container image for this web interface and how to start this. Okay, so right now I'm logging to the OpenWebUI interface and we'll see the current version. For that, go to the user, then settings, and in settings select about tab from the left pane. Here you can see I am on 0.5.7 version and the latest available version is 0.5.20. Okay, once you are done with this, just sign out from this page, connect via terminal, and then we'll check the status of the running container. You can see my OpenWebUI container is up and running and it's in healthy state. We'll simply stop and remove this container first. For that, just run sudo docker stop and the name of the container is OpenWebUI. Now we'll remove the container with this command. Okay. Now again run the sudo docker ps to check if the container is removed. Yes, the container is stopped and removed. You can also find all these steps and commands to execute here on this page. Okay, so now we need to remove the image as well. For that, first check the image name, and this is the repository, and we need to remove this image from our virtual machine. So for that, sudo docker rmi remove image, and you can use the image id or you can use the repository name with the tag. I'll go with the image id. Okay, now the image is removed. You can simply run sudo docker images again and you can see there is no more image available. Now next we need to pull the latest image from the repository of this web interface. For that we'll go with the sudo docker pull command. Sudo docker pull and the name of the repo. It will take few seconds to pull and download. It took some time and got downloaded. Now if I again check with docker images, I have the latest image available with me. Okay, now before running this image, before running the container, I need to specify one more thing, like we have the volume available with you. So if you want to persist your data, if you have some data in your old OpenWebUI and you want to start back with the same data on the new version, then you don't need to delete the volume. And if you want to start the fresh instance and you don't want the old data, then you can simply delete the old volume. To check the volume, you need to run the sudo docker volume command, sudo docker volume ls command. It will show you the name of the volume. So here it is OpenWebUI volume. Okay, so in case if you don't want the old data, you simply need to remove the volume with remove command and then copy pasting the name of the. Okay, and if you want to persist data, just don't remove the volume and continue with the next step to run the container. So to run the container, we need to enter this command here with the same exact parameters. Okay, sudo docker run -d-v. We are going to use the same volume. So this is the volume we have. Then network host ollama, we need to provide this base URL, and then restart always. Name will be OpenWebUI, and the image we are going to use is this image just now we pulled. Okay, hit enter, and now it started my new container. You can see created and up for 4 seconds. Healthy and it's starting. Just wait for a few seconds and let's start completely. After that, we'll access the Open WebUI in the browser. Now, after a few seconds, if I check, you can see it's up and running and it's healthy and it started completely. Now go back to the go back to your browser and will public IP of the instance. Now see, I haven't removed my volume. That's why I'm getting the sign in page. If you have removed your volume and you started the fresh instance, then you will get the registration page here. You need to again register with the admin user and the password, and after that it will open the new instance. Okay. Now as I have not removed the volume, I need to log in with my old credentials. Now here you can see my Open WebUI instance is upgraded to the latest version, which is the 5.20. And my old data is also there. My old data is also persisted. If you want to check from here, go to settings, about, refresh the page, and you should see the 0.520 latest release here. This is how you can upgrade your Open WebUI interface if you are running DeepSeek and Llama powered all-in-one LLMs provided by techlatest.net. Thank you.